Good morning, students. Up to the last lecture, we are studied about the health and disease. Okay, so in our surrounding environment, we see different types of diseases are there. Okay, so we start topic that is the diseases observing in nowadays. Okay, nowadays we disease merely or generally we are seeing in our surrounding environment. That study we have to carry out. Okay, in that we see some disease like a dengue. Okay, then swine flu. Okay, that two diseases we have studied in the last lecture. Now today we have to see third disease, that is the acquired AIDS. Okay, what? AIDS, HIV AIDS. So its long form is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. What? Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Okay, so this AIDS is a disease which is spread generally first observed in African monkeys. Okay, first time it observed in African monkeys, and first human case is found in America. Okay, in 90s decade, 80 to 90, in that decade. Okay, so now in India this disease is spread very broadly. Okay, many people are affected by this disease AIDS. Okay, so look at AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. That is the long form of word AIDS. Okay, so ELISA, okay, ELISA is a test for diagnosis of AIDS. Okay, so look at ELISA is a test which is used for the diagnosis of HIV AIDS. Okay, HIV AIDS. Generally, if we see AIDS, then we see HIV word is another one word is with AIDS. Okay, so this HIV means human, then immune, and we mean virus. Okay, human immunovirus. It is spread through this virus, that is the human immunovirus. Okay, so this virus is generally attacked on our immune system. Okay, so that immune system of our body is get its function decreases day by day. Okay, and it is unable to protect various disease. Okay, then what happen? Due to the decrease in our immune system, working of decrease of our immune system, various diseases are attacked on such a person. Okay, day by day it becomes weak and finally it will die. Okay, because of this human immunovirus. Okay, HIV. Okay, so look at ELISA is a test for proper diagnosis of AIDS. Okay, without this proper diagnosis, we cannot find out whether this infect some person or not. Okay, then again what is important about that? This is not infectious disease. Okay, means this disease is not spread through contact with infected person. Okay, so we see in other diseases, okay, other viral diseases like swine flu. Okay, so there are, we see that diseases are spread through contact with other persons, but this is a not infectious disease. Okay, so we cannot get infect when we are came in contact with the infected person. Okay, then what happened in India? Mostly spread in India due to through unsafe sexual contact. Okay, look at this disease is generally spread through the unsafe sexual contact. Okay, that is our main important reason of this disease. Okay, so look at AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. We have to remember only here ELISA test is used for the proper diagnosis of this disease. Okay, so this name ELISA we have to remember because that may be asked in a matched pair. Okay, as like we see DOT in case of what? Tuberculosis. Okay, then ELISA for AIDS. Okay, so that names we have to remember for the matched pairs. Okay, so ELISA is a test used for the proper diagnosis of the AIDS. Okay, then it is not infectious disease. Okay, it not spread through personal contact with the infected person. Okay, so our behavior of the our other persons which is such an infected person should be normal. Okay, because it is not infectious disease. Then what? Mostly spread in India through unsafe sexual contact. Okay, so these are the some basic information about the AIDS. Okay, and this HIV, okay, human immunovirus, it is the virus due to which this AIDS disease is acquired by human. Okay, and it mostly damages our immune system. It attacks on our immune system. Due to that, various other diseases are easily attacked on such a person, and that person will die after some years. Okay, not directly very acute period, but due to the damage of immune system, various diseases are attacked on that person, and such a person will die in next 5, 10, 15 years. Okay, but it is one of the dangerous disease, that is the AIDS. Okay, now next disease we have to see that is the infections through animals. Okay, there are different types of animals in around our surrounding. Okay, so that animals also spread some viruses, diseases. Okay, how? Look at disease, that is the rabies. Okay, so rabies, this is a disease generally we see in case about the dogs. Okay, it is a very fatal disease actually. Okay, very harmful. So that is why we have to timely vaccinate the dog. Okay, in every year we have to give vaccine to the dogs. Okay, that is the antivirus to the dogs. So that is why it not spread this disease rabies. Okay, so look at what happened about the rabies. Rabies is a viral disease. Okay, it is a rabies is a one type of virus. Okay, it is a type of virus, and it spread that disease which called rabies. Okay, so it is a viral disease occur due to the bite of infected dog, rabbit or monkey. Okay, so generally we hear about the dog, but infected rabbit and monkey also spread this disease rabies. Okay, what? Rabies. Okay, so it occurred due to the bite of infected dog, rabbit or monkey. Then hydrophobia is one of the prominent symptom of this disease rabies. Okay, look at hydrophobia. Hydro means what? Water, and phobia means what? Fear. Okay, so if some person is infected by this rabies disease, then that have extreme fear about water. Okay, it extremely fear with water. Okay, even it does not touch to water. Okay, so this hydrophobia is one of the prominent symptom of this disease rabies. Okay, from this we can see that symptom, we can conclude that that person has disease rabies. Okay, what? Hydrophobia. So it can be cured by timely vaccination. Okay, we have to take vaccination. Okay, if you take vaccination before observing symptoms. Okay, if once symptoms observing is start, then this disease cannot be cured. Okay, what happened? This virus goes towards our brain. Okay, it enters in our brain through the spinal cord. Okay, and if enters in our brain, then what happens? We lose total control from our brain. Okay, so it is a very fatal disease. Okay, so we have to take vaccination if dog bite, rabbit or monkey bite. Okay, if that animals are bite to someone person, then that has to take vaccination properly within time, because after 90 days it start to show symptoms of this infected dog, rabbit or monkey. Okay, so we have to clearly take timely vaccination for this disease rabies. Okay, so these are the some general information about the rabies. What it is? Viral disease occur due to bite of infected dog, rabbit or monkey. Then hydrophobia is one of the important symptom of this disease. Then what? It can be occurred by timely vaccination. Okay, but we have to take that vaccination before show the symptoms in body. Okay, means in early time we have to take vaccination, then the disease can be cured. Okay, then look at what are the symptoms of rabies. Okay, so look at fever 2 to 12 weeks. Okay, after the bite of these animals, what happen? That person, infected person, has a fever up to 2 to 12 weeks. Okay, so continuous fever is there. Then exaggeration in behavior. Okay, exaggeration means what? Imagination. Okay, very big imagination in behavior of that person we can see. Okay, in their talks. Okay, different types of many imaginary things that type of person talks. That such a thinking is called exaggeration in behavior. Okay, then hydrophobia, we see extreme fear with what? Water. Extreme fear with water. The persons are extremely fear with water, even they cannot touch to the water. Okay, so hydrophobia, it is the one symptom of this disease, rabies. Okay, so look at here, we have to see some basic information about this rabies, and these are the some symptoms of disease rabies. Okay, what happened? It is viral disease occur due to the bite of infected dog, rabbit or monkey. Hydrophobia is one of the important symptoms and it can be cured by timely vaccination. Okay, then symptoms are what? Fever up to 2 to 12 weeks, exaggeration in behavior and hydrophobia are the symptoms of this disease of rabies. Okay, so we have to remember, if you have pet animals like a dog, okay, so we have to timely vaccinate them. Okay, because they may be caused to spread of this rabies. Okay, and it is a very fatal disease. If you cannot take vaccination, then it will be very harmful, even it will be cause of a death of a person. Okay, because if the control of brain is loose, then it cannot be controlled. Okay, so we have to take timely vaccination, and also we have to give vaccination to our pet animals also. Okay.